Welcome to the Scientific Report Writing and Presentation Lecture number 2. Today's lecture is about the description and types of the technical report. I am Dr. Mohammad Shoaib Khan, PhD in Anatomy from University Putra, Malaysia, and I am lecturer in the Faculty of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Gomal University. So these are the glimpse of the previous report, that the description of the technical report. Technical report contain the specific detail that focused on the specific purpose. Technical report needs the audience and material at the audience level of the understanding, and the report must have the specific detailed information with their sources. A report audience may contain the individuals or groups in need of the information. The purpose is to give information about some specific topic. Dear students, these are the technical report objectives. Usually, the report audience may be comprised of the group of students, or maybe the researchers, or maybe the some like livelihood concerned people to whom you are going to give the small training or something. And there may be purpose of technical report. The technical report is about the specific topic which you are going to address, or you have already completed some task, or you are reporting some disease, etc. Okay, these are some basic types of the reports. The basic type of report may be the feasibility report, maybe the recommendation report of some employee or some project or some research assignment or something, or the evaluation or the assessment report. Evaluation or the assessment report may contain the evaluation of some project, evaluation of some research techniques, or the assessment of some individual, assessment of some research group, assessment of some researcher, assessment of some scientist, or assessment of some worker. The typical audience of this report may be the decision makers, maybe the organizational heads. The typical purpose to inform, to convince, or to discuss, maybe to inform something, to inform the people about some disease, to inform the people about some outbreak, to inform the people about some convince or something to convince some people that we are going to apply for the funding or something. So we have to convince the funding agency that our project is good, and its dynamics may be having the good impacts on the society, or to discuss something, or to discuss some project, or to discuss some disease, or to discuss some performance, etc. The primary research report, the typical audience of this report may be the students, the instructors, the teachers, the researchers, or the professors, which I already told you in the previous slide. The typical purpose to give the specific information, and the example of these type of the primary research report are the lab reports, the experimental reports, or some project reports, etc. The next type is the technical report. The technical report describe a new product design in terms of the construction, material, function, features, and operations. The typical audience may be the end users, which are using that products which you are going to report, or maybe the clients of that construction project, etc. And the typical purpose is to inform the people about that new designs, or to inform the people about this new construction material, or to convince the people about the function, features, and operation of a new building. So they may be variable. This type of report may be a variable thing. The end user will be also the variable also. So this is about the technical report. This is another type of technical report. This is the technical report for business purpose. So it usually describe the purpose business or explore the marketplace, the competition or the operations, the output of the business, and the typical audience may be the potential investors which are interested to invest their money in this type of project. And the typical purpose are again is to inform the investors, or convince the investor about the project, about that marketplace, about this construction project, etc. So thank you very much, dear students. The next lecture will cover the steps in technical report writing. Hopefully you have understand that topic. So stay tuned to the lecture series, and we will discuss the steps in technical report writing in next lecture. Thank you very much. Bye bye.